Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be an unboxing video. What I have is a package that came in from Halfzipp all the way from Canada. What's going to be on the inside is going to be his very first challenge lock. What he's looking to do is use this challenge lock to count towards his blue belt on r/lockpicking. So what I'm going to do is open this up for you right now and we can all check it out together. Alright, so let's get this box opened up right now. So I am so excited to see what Halfzipp was able to make, and it's always cool to see people being able to share their own creations with you. So in the front it says, I hope this got to you okay. As you'll find, this package includes two locks. The one with the electrical tape is the challenge lock, and the other one is just a stock lock for you to keep. Thanks again so much. Take care. Halfzipp, the lockpicking welder. Alright, so let's take a quick peek in here. Alright, so we got one. I'm just gonna kind of cut through it. The one with the electrical tape being the challenge lock, and the one without being the stock lock. Alright, so what he sent over here was an Vises 7240, and let's see, we got a mummied key, and let's see what he wrote on here. It says number 3 by Halfzipp, the lockpicking welder. So this must be actually his third challenge lock, and this is just a pretty cool thing. I'm not going to end up picking this lock in this video. I just wanted to let everyone see it, and I just told him that I would share it with everyone. I am going to do my best to find some time to pick open this challenge lock, but if I do not have time, I will share it with everyone and see if anyone would like to check it out. But either way, guys, all I have for you today has just been a pretty quick unboxing of the challenge lock that was made by Halfzipp. It's going to be this Vises 7240. And if anyone at all is interested in checking it out, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share it with you as well. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you'll have a great day. And if you haven't already, please consider checking out Halfzipp, and I'll put a card up so you can check out his channel right here.